Yes, in earlier videos we have discussed about the calculation of number of atoms per unit cell. So we know what is unit cell. Okay. Then how many atoms are there per unit cell in case of a simple cube, body centered, and a face centered. Okay. Now let us go for the next concept here, that is a packing efficiency. So we know the atoms are very close to each other and they form different types of a crystal lattice. Okay. So what is the efficiency? Means how much space is occupied by these atoms in one unit cell. And if you tell that in the percentage, that is known as the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮನ್ನು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ. ಆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ಗಳು ಭಾಳ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಇದೆ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್, ಬಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ಗಳು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So therefore let us calculate packing efficiency, and this is one of the very important question normally asked in every year. They will ask the calculate the packing efficiency for simple cube or body centered or a HCP, that is a face centered. Okay, so let us go first what is the definition of packing efficiency, then how to calculate the packing efficiency of a unit cell. So for this we must know the knowledge of the number of atoms per unit cell. So we know how to calculate the number of atoms per unit cell. We have calculated also. For simple cube or primitive cell, it is a number of atoms per unit cell is 1, and for body centered it is number of atoms are 2, and for face centered it is a number of atoms per unit cell is a 4. So let us go for the packing efficiency. So what is the meaning of packing efficiency? It is the percentage of total space occupied by the particles in a unit cell. So it is nothing but the percentage of total space. How much you have to express that in terms of a percentage. It is a percentage of total space occupied by the particles. Particles means here atoms or ions or molecules. Okay, that is a particles in a unit cell, not a entire crystal. In one unit cell, how much space is occupied, that is expressed in terms of a percentage, that is known as a packing efficiency. It is the percentage of total space occupied by the particles in a unit cell. Okay. Now let us go for the calculation of the packing efficiency for a simple cube or a primitive unit cell. So here we are going to consider the unit cell, the edge length of unit cell means the sides. So sides unit is considered as that is the length is A, and atoms is considered as a sphere. It is not a circle, it is a sphere just like a ball. Okay, so and it's a sphere of radius is R. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಈಗ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಎ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಸೊ ಅದರದ್ದು ರೇಡಿಯಸನ್ನು ಆರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ packing efficiency for a simple unit cell. So consider a simple cubic unit cell of edge length A, and sphere of radius R unit. Okay, so we are going to consider this. Okay. So now this is the structure of a simple cube. So what we have done here, we have considered a unit cell. This is unit cell. It is simple cubic or primitive, only on the corner atoms are there. So here also there. So I have not shown that. Just to our aim is to get the expressions or finding the packing efficiency. What we have taken, edge length. So this is edge length from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A, D, this. These are the sides of the cube. That is a edge length is A. Okay. So I can write this length is a A. Illindi illivarege. So it is a cube, same LR length A. And atom or sphere of radius R. So in simple cube we know they are touched to each other. So ee kade touch agida ade riti hindindu. So they are touched each other. Okay. So in a simple cubic unit cell, the number of atoms per unit cell is a 1. How to get that? So we have done already. 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8 ee riti. So that is 1 by 8 into 8. That is nothing but a 1 atom. So just see this like this. It is. So these are the atoms. So same way another side will be there. Okay. This is how they are touched to each other. Okay. So radius of this is a R. Okay. This is a sphere. This is simple cube. Now we know the volume of sphere equal to. Volume of sphere is how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So in a simple cube, so number of atoms is 1. So therefore the volume of sphere is a 4 by 3 pi r cube. So from the figure, what we can say? A equal to 2r. From this figure, we can say A equal to, means this edge length is nothing but equal to 2r. This is r radius, this is r radius. So A equal to 2r. So in the exam, this relation is important, and also writing the formula and getting the answer. So next is a packing efficiency. So packing efficiency equal to what? Volume of one sphere, means for this diagram, for this simple cube unit. So volume of one sphere divided by total volume of the cube into 100. Okay. So volume of one sphere is how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the cube. What is the formula for volume of a cube? It is side is A into A into A. It is a cube. So volume of a cube is a cube into 100. Now I am going to replace this A value with a 2r. So therefore 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this 4 pi r cube, this 3 comes in the denominator 3. A I am going to replace with a 2r. A equal to 2r. So this is a 3 into 2r whole cube. Use a bracket. Otherwise it is a 2r cube agutte. 2 nu cube ide. Okay. So use a bracket. 2r cube into 100. Now this is a 4 pi r cube, numerator as it is, 3 as it is, 2 cube is 8, r cube as it is, r cube cancels, 4 ones are 4 twos are. So this is a 100 pi by 6, that's equal to 52.4%. So not necessary to substitute the value of pi as a 22 by 7 or 3.14, directly you can write this. So normally this is asked for 3 marks. Okay, writing the formula is 1 mark, and substituting and getting this is 1 mark, and drawing the diagram as well as getting this relation is a 1 mark. So this is about the simple cube, calculation of a packing efficiency of simple cube. I will explain once again. So in the simple cube, the atoms are only on the corner, so they touched each other. We have considered let the unit cell as having edge length A and a sphere of radius, particle of sphere or radius R. In simple cube, the number of atoms per unit cell is 1. Okay. Therefore, volume of sphere is a 4 by 3 pi r cube. From the figure, we can say A equal to 2r. then writing the formula, packing efficiency, volume of one sphere divided by total volume of cube into 100. You have to write this. So normally student will forget this, writing this, so you are going to lose 1 mark. Idu baribeku. So into 100, that is a percentage ಬರ್ತದೆ. So substitute value of a equal to 2r, use a bracket, simplification, you are going to get a, directly you can write it as a 52.4%. So this is the calculation of packing efficiency for simple cubic unit cell. Okay, now let us go for the calculation of a packing efficiency for body centered cubic unit cell, or it is a BCC. So body centered unit cell means what? Other than the 8 corners, one atom is at the center of the cube. So that is a body centered unit cell. Okay, so we know that is a body centered unit cell means how it is, and we have calculated the number of atoms for this. It is a 2 atoms. So this we have already done. Okay, so now our aim is to calculate what is the packing efficiency, how much space is there, or how much space is occupied and how much space is free, adannu calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so now same way here also in this BCC. Okay, once again we have to consider a unit cell of edge length a and radius r. Okay, then again that is a sphere of volume. So here we are having 2 atoms. So therefore we have to calculate for a number of atoms is 2. So 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, let us go for that calculation of a packing efficiency for this. Consider a unit cell with the edge length a and sphere of radius r. Okay, so in BCC the number of atoms per unit cell is 2. Okay, so how that is just we have seen that. Okay, next formula, packing efficiency equal to volume of 2 sphere. ಯಾಕೆ 2 ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು? So because of the number of atoms per unit cell is 2. So volume of 2 sphere divided by total volume of cube into 100. So formula is same, ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. So 2 is the number of sphere, volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100. Total volume of cube is a cube. Okay, so that if you simplify, that is nothing but 8 pi r cube. This 3 goes to the denominator, a cube into 100. Now our aim is to get the relation between a and r. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಮತ್ತು r the relation na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here you have to go for a 3-dimensional picture, you have to imagine. Okay, so let us try to get the idea of how the relation, what is the relation between a and r. Now see here, this is a b c d is one face, then this is a d e f, another face here a. So this is a unit cell. Now what I have taken is this is the sphere which is on the back side. This is at the body centered and this is on the front side. ಈ ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಹಿಂದಿದೆ, ಇದು ಮುಂದಿದೆ, ಇದು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So if you add that, it becomes a diagonal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it becomes a diagonal of this unit cell, okay, or a cube. Now if you join this, so what is we have taken? So ಇದು exactly ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. This radius is r, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್, ಇದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್, ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ r r, and this is a one more r. ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ r plus r plus r plus r 4r ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ a h applying Pythagoras theorem, this is 90 degree 3-dimension picture. You have to imagine in a room. ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಫ್ಲೋರು, ಇದು ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಒನ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ Pythagoras theorem here, what happens? ah square hypotenuse square, that is diagonal square, equal to AD square ಇದು plus HD square. I have substituted AH square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, AH ಅಂದ್ರೆ R plus R plus R plus R, that is 4R. use a bracket. ನಾವು ಗಡಬಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4R square ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. 4 square is a 16. So 4R whole square, use a bracket. So 4R square equal to AD ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, that is nothing but the edge length A square. Now here HD square, HD ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತದ್ದು, how to calculate the HD? It is not A here, ಇದು A ಇದೆ, ಇದು edge length A, ಇದು edge length A. If I take this is a right angle triangle, that is a right angle triangle ಯಾವುದಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, this is a H, this is a D, this is a E. Okay, so this is a edge length ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, A ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, A ಇದೆ. So therefore HD square equal to what, A square plus A square. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಗೊರಸ್, ಅದು ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 2A square, HD square equal to 2A square. So that we have substituted. Okay, so therefore now what happens, 16R square equal to A square plus A square, 3A square. So therefore A square equal to 16R square by 3. A square equal to ಇದು 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, so our aim is to get the relation between A and R. So therefore A equal to what, A equal to 4R, ಇದರದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 16 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 4 ಆಯಿತು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ R ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರು R ಆಯಿತು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 4R divided by root 3, this is a A value ಆಯಿತು. Now you have to go for this formula once again. What we are having, packing efficiency equal to 8 pi R cube divided by 3A cube into 100. Now we got the relation here, A ಮತ್ತು R relation ಬಂತು. So that I will substitute here. So therefore what we can write, packing efficiency equal to 8 pi R cube divided by 3A cube. A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 4R by root 3 is cube into 100. So simplify 8 pi R cube as it is, 3 as it is, 4 cube 64, R cube as it is, root 3 cube means root 3 into root 3 into root 3, that is 3 root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ into 100 as it is. R cube cancel, 3 ಇದು cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 8 1s 8 8s. So that becomes a root 3 pi into 100 divided by 8. Okay, so final answer this equal to, so not necessary to calculate directly, you can write this becomes equal to 68%. Percentage ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So packing efficiency of a BCC is a 68%. Okay, for a simple cube it is a 52.4. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಭಾಳ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್. ವೆರಸ್ ಇನ್ BCC ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 68%, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ FCC, ದ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ HCP. Okay, that we can take in the next. So now let us go for the calculation of packing efficiency in a HCP and a CCP crystal. So what do you mean by HCP and CCP? It is nothing but a hexagonal closed packed and a cubic closed packed structure. Okay, so that you can know later on, but this is nothing but it is similar to or it is same as a face centered cubic unit cell. So nothing but a calculation of packing efficiency for a FCC unit cell. So we know in a FCC unit cell the total number of atoms per unit is a 4. So calculation is same as what we have done in case of simple cube as well as a body centered. So first similar here, what first we have to take as a letter A be the edge length of unit cell and R be the radius of a sphere. So consider a HCP unit cell So that depends whether in a exam question paper they may have given HCP, then you have to use the word is HCP, or suppose they have mentioned CCP, you use here CCP, or they have mentioned FCC, means you have to use a FCC. Okay, so all are nothing but a same here in this derivation. Okay. So we have considered a unit cell with edge length A and a sphere of radius means atom of radius R. Okay. For FCC unit cell, the number of atoms are 4, so therefore volume of the 4 atoms equal to, so the number of atoms per unit cell is a 4 for a HCP unit cell. So therefore the volume equal to volume of 4 sphere is a 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So next is what? Writing the formula of a packing efficiency. So packing efficiency equal to the volume of 4 sphere divided by the total volume of cube into 100. So that is nothing but the percentage. Okay. So packing efficiency, that is nothing but a volume occupied by 4 sphere into 100 divided by total volume of a cube. Okay. So we have to write 100. Okay. Now volume of 4 sphere is what? 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is what? It is volume of a sphere. Okay. Into 100 divided by A is a volume of the cube. Cube is having a edge length A, so therefore it's a A cube. It is a volume of cube is a cube. So if you simplify, that is nothing but a 16 pi r cube into 100 divided by 3 A cube. This 3 comes in the denominator. Now our aim is to get the relation between a and R. So relation between A and R. So for that, what you have to do, you have to consider the structure of a FCC and calculate the relation between A and R. So let us take that diagram here. So I have considered the unit cell. Atoms are, it is a face center. So this is on the face A, B, C, D is a one face. In that center we are having one atom, that is a face center, and these are the primitive cells. Okay, that is a corner. Now if you observe here, this is nothing but a right angle triangle ABC. So from the figure, what we can say, applying a Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus a BC square. So that we have mentioned here, AC square equal to AB square plus a BC square. So what is AB means? This distance is nothing but the radius. So 4 radius here, R, R, R and R. So use a bracket, that is a 4R square equal to, this is a A square, AB is A, BC is also A because it is edge length, all edges are same. So A square plus A square, that is a 4R whole square is a 16R square equal to 2A square. So therefore what is A square equal to? 16R square divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are 8R square, A square equal to. So what is therefore A equal to what? A equal to 2 root 2 into R. See, this R should be outside the square bracket. So square root of 8 is a 2 root 2. So therefore this value we have to apply here in the formula. So therefore packing efficiency equal to what we can write? Packing efficiency equal to 16 pi r cube into 100 divided by 3 A cube. A cube formula is if A is what? 2 root 2 R. So 2 root 2 R bracket cube. Use the bracket here. Okay. So then what happens? So this equal to, so substitution, this values 16 pi r cube into 100 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 cube is 8, root 2 cube is 2 root 2, then r cube is r cube. Okay, so therefore, so this is 8 2s are 16, it is 16, this 16 cancels, r cube cancels, numerator what is left? 100 pi, denominator 3 into this root 2, so 3 into root 2. So that becomes to 100 pi by 3 root 2. Final answer becomes 74%. Okay. So this is the calculation of a packing efficiency of a FCC or CCP or HCP. Okay, so normally they will ask a 3-mark question on this, either the packing efficiency, calculate the packing efficiency for simple cube or BCC or HCP CCP ಅಥವಾ FCC ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So compulsory question. Okay, sometimes they may ask a define packing efficiency and a calculate, so then you have to write the definition of a packing efficiency, so that carries the 4 marks then. Okay, 3 plus 1 definition 1 marks ittade. Okay, and this is very useful for a competitive exam calculation of the edge length or radius or a percentage of the space occupied. Okay, so this is about the packing efficiency of all the 3 types of unit cells.